Plastic tabs found on some plastic sealing boxes where electrical wires are inserted are not recognized or approved as internal cable clamps according to electrical codes and standards. An internal cable clamp is a component within an electrical box specifically designed and listed for securing electrical cables entering the box. Its purpose is to prevent strain on the wire connections inside the box and to protect the wires from abrasion or damage. These plastic tabs do not provide the same level of securement and protection as listed cable clamps. Electrical codes such as the National Electrical Code, or NEC, establish minimum safety standards for electrical installations. Section 314.17 C of the NEC, for example, addresses securing and supporting non-metallic sheath cables. This section mandates that cables entering electrical boxes must be secured to the box. This securement prevents the cable from being pulled out of the box, which could damage the wire connections and create a potential electrical hazard. The NEC requires the use of listed cable clamps or connectors specifically designed for this purpose. These listed devices have been tested and certified by independent testing laboratories to meet specific performance and safety standards. The NEC provides various options for securing cables entering electrical boxes depending on the type of cable and the box construction. These options include cable clamps, connectors, and other listed fittings designed to provide a secure and reliable connection. Using appropriate cable clamps or connectors is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the mechanical integrity of the electrical system. The clamps prevent the cable from being pulled or dislodged from the box due to tension, vibration, or accidental pulling. Secondly, it protects the wires from physical damage. The sharp edges of the box or the movement of the cable can abrade the wire insulation, leading to short circuits or ground faults. Thirdly, it maintains the electrical continuity of the system. Securely clamped cables prevent loose connections, which can cause voltage drops, overheating, and potential fire hazard. Plastic tabs, on the other hand, are typically small, flexible pieces of plastic molded into the box. They might offer some resistance to the cable being pulled out, but they do not provide a secure clamping action. They are not designed or tested to withstand the forces that a proper cable clamp is designed to handle. Therefore, they do not meet the requirements of electrical codes for cable securement. Relying on plastic tabs as cable clamps can lead to unsafe electrical installations and code violations. Electrical inspectors will typically flag such installations as non-compliant and require the use of approved cable clamps. There are several types of cable clamps available for use with non-metallic sheath cables, such as Romex. These clamps are designed to fit into the knockouts or openings in the electrical box and provide a secure grip on the cable. Some common types include screw-in clamps, snap-in clamps, and squeeze connectors. Screw-in clamps are tightened with a screwdriver to secure the cable. Snap-in clamps are inserted into the knockout and snap into place, gripping the cable. Squeeze connectors are tightened with pliers to compress the cable and provide a secure connection. The selection of the appropriate cable clamp depends on the size and type of cable being used and the construction of the electrical box. It is important to choose a clamp that is listed for use with the specific type of cable and box. When installing cable clamps, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and the requirements of the electrical code. The cable should be inserted into the clamp far enough to ensure a secure grip. The clamp should be tightened properly, but not so tight that it damages the cable insulation. All unused knockouts or openings in the electrical box should be closed with appropriate knockout plugs or covers. This prevents the entry of dust, moisture, and foreign objects into the box, which could create electrical hazards. In summary, the plastic tabs on plastic sealing boxes are not a substitute for approved cable clamps. Electrical codes require the use of listed cable clamps or connectors to secure cables entering electrical boxes. Using appropriate cable clamps is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Ignoring this requirement can lead to code violations, unsafe electrical conditions, and potential hazards. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about electrical wiring or cable securement.